Good morning and welcome to the city of Prague. For the past 72 hours, we've been exploring all of the top sites like the Astronomical Tower, Charles Bridge. You ready for this?
I'm ready with 1,000 other people that are here to do it with us.
We even explored places like Old Town to try the traditional potato pancakes and checked chimneys. They sell them everywhere. It's like fried dough with ice cream inside. Pretty good so far. Before visiting the Prague Castle and trying some goulash.
Trying beef goulash. It's like a stew.
However, after exploring the city for the last 2 days, we decided we wanted to do something a little more unique. Welcome to Prague's original beer spa. As soon as we entered the beer spa, we could tell this was nice. Not only did they seem to have endless beer-inspired products, but after we were immediately greeted by the front desk, we were brought down the hallway and shown to our private room, where we were then taught exactly how the entire beer spa process works.
Welcome here in the original beer spa in Prague, and your procedure consists of a pool beer bath, rest on a straw bed, sauna, and unlimited consumption of beer. So this bath is already prepared. So I prepared the second one. Bath consists of hot water, consists of this beer and beer ingredients, which are yeast and hops. These ingredients are good for our skin because they contain a lot of vitamin B. They also work like peeling. And for good working, we recommend not to take shower for 2 hours after the bath. Right. And as soon as I will leave here, in 2 or 3 minutes the whirlpool will start, and after 25 minutes the whirlpool will automatically stops. If you want it once again, here is a reception ring bell on the window. Okay. You will just call me, I will start it again. If you want anything else, you will call me once again and I will come here. From here, you will just take the glass, put it on this way, press it towards us, and you will just press it towards yourself. Slide beer, this is dark beer.
Okay. Great.
Do you have any questions?
No, I think that's
it.
You covered everything.
Okay, so I think we can start it.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Great.
And enjoy.
Thank you.
I'm a little nervous.
Are you?
Well, it's quite warm.
Feel good?
Yeah. It's not like hot. It's just a little hot.
Cold beer and a warm beer cup.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Not only do we get unlimited beer while we're here, but we also get bread, a hay bed, sauna, showers, our own private bathroom, and this beer hot tub. We get the entire room for 1 hour, and I can't even begin to explain to you guys the amount of benefits this actually has. According to the original Beer Spa's website, not only do these ingredients help nourish your skin, but a beer spa also helps smooth wrinkles, heal inflammation in your liver, aid digestion and metabolism, treats chronic arthritis and cardiovascular disease, and even helps you maintain a strong immune system. Who knew?
It's not time for the sauna.
So we only get 1 hour here in the beer spa, and although that sounds like a lot of time, to enjoy all of the amenities they have here, it's actually not that much time. If you do come, I would highly recommend getting maybe 2 hours if you can, to really enjoy, slow down, and take it in. Alright, now that was the most unique thing I think we've done in Europe yet. Even though we only had 1 hour to enjoy, we really tried our best to fully take it in and show you guys around in the meantime. As always, if you enjoyed that adventure and you want to see the next one, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye! We've officially made it to our 26th country together. You making our hay bed?
Yeah.
That wasn't a jump.
It's so cool. Don't worry, I have a swimsuit on.
That's a naked man with his bread.
Perfect.